Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack Daily Challenge, that is, 3 paragraphs. Challenge in HTML. Doctype HTML. This is a document type declaration, doctype, that specifies the version of HTML being used, which in this case is HTML5. HTML. This tag marks the beginning of the HTML document. All the HTML content is enclosed between the opening HTML and closing /HTML tags. Body. The body tag represents the content of the HTML document, including text, images, links, etc. It marks the beginning of the document's body, where the visible content is placed. P. Deep blue sea /P. This is a paragraph element, P, and it contains the text deep blue sea. Paragraphs are used to structure and separate content within the body of the HTML document. P is sun, moon, and the stars /P. Another paragraph element containing the text sun, moon, and the stars. P. Air, water, land /P. The third paragraph element with the text air, water, land. /body. This tag marks the end of the HTML document's body. /HTML. This closing tag marks the end of the HTML document. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.